Combine 4 donuts, with 4 cups of milk. Then leave them aside to soften. Melt 2 cups of sugar over a low heat until dissolved. Once dissolved, add a dash of water to stop the caramel from cooking. Pour the caramel into a baking tray and spread evenly. Blend the donuts and milk until smooth. Add 4 eggs. 1 cup of shredded coconut. 200 ml of thickened cream, and 200 ml of coconut milk. Blend the mixture again until smooth. Pour the mixture evenly over the caramel. Cover with aluminium foil. Pour water into a larger baking dish. You will need enough to cover the smaller one about halfway up the side. Place the donut mixture into the larger baking dish and bake on 180 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. Remove the aluminium foil and bake for a further 20 minutes. Place your serving platter on top of the baking dish and flip over to release the cake.